Sometimes, Lord, my heart is too heavy to explain. The tears speak louder than my voice, and all I can do is worship you. When the night is cold and silent, and my soul is weak inside, when the pain becomes my language, still you never leave my side. I may not have all the answers, I may not know what to say, but my spirit keeps on calling. Jesus, hear me when I pray. When words fail me, Lord, let my tears become a song. When my strength is gone, your presence keeps me strong. Minoinap tok mo, tasoyu sabi long bell belong me. Jesus, hold me close tonight and never let me go. Oh, Jesus, you understand my heart. Holy Spirit, pray through me. In the valley of my breaking, you still carry me with grace. Every silent cry I whisper, you can hear in every place. Even when my voice is shaking, even when my faith feels small, your love keeps pulling me closer. You have never let me fall. When words fail me, Lord, I will worship anyway. Even in my weakness, your light will lead the way. Hey, Papa got me sing along you, masking me broken sight. You are my peace, you are my healer tonight. I surrender everything, Lord, everything, Lord. Take my pain, take my pain, take my fear. You are enough, you are enough, you are enough, you are enough for me. When words fail me, your love still understands.